We are here at Ilha Grande. Now we're leaving Rio and starting our journey to Ilha Grande. 3 hours in the car, so let's go.
From Rio, you can get to Ilha Grande by using 3 ports: Jacareí, Angra dos Reis, and Margaratiba. Jacareí is the closest and fastest route, so that's exactly where we are going. We were able to find an Uber that would take us there, and it took around 2.5 hours to get to the port.
Okay, so we finally confirmed everything with one of the vendors. It's going to be 70 real per person and 5% fee for credit card. And now we're just going. The next ferry leaves at 12:30. It's around 12 right now. So we're just gonna go make the payment and then put our bags in the boat. And it was like 80 reals at first, and then he also gave us a discount and said it's gonna be 70 per person. So that was great. There's also an option to do return boat, and that was like around 120 reals. But that's not gonna work for us because we are going to a different location afterwards. We won't be coming back here. So we just did one-way tickets.
Just walking towards the pier, there are a few shops here, so we decided to check it out.
40 e 30.
30,
40.
40? I think 40. The prices here were way higher than that in Rio, so we definitely recommend buying all your things from Rio before coming here.
Okay, we just came here and it says 70, but he was saying, I'll do 80 and give you 70 as a discount, but it's actually 70.
So always double check and make sure you're getting the best deal. Now it was time for the boat to start boarding, so we started going towards the pier.
There are actually a lot of boat vendors here. We just picked one who caught us at the entrance. But if you want to explore around, check for different prices, then you can just come towards the end, closer to the pier, and you would find like a lot of agency, a lot more options. Turbo! Hopefully everybody fits.
We saw other boats that were much bigger in size. That's why we were a bit doubtful, but eventually everybody did fit in without any problem. Okay, starting off our journey on the boat. So the boat itself is going to take around 20 to 25 minutes to get to the island itself. It was really fast and it was really fun. And it was a pleasant day, a little bit cloudy, but because the weather was already so hot and humid, having this breeze felt really good, and we were also like getting water splashes. So overall, it was a very pleasant ride.
Ready?
So here we are finally in Ilha Grande. So this is a car-free island. That means everybody is just walking around. It has a completely different vibe from Rio de Janeiro, which is such a buzzy city. Here you come for the laid-back vibes. If you do have a lot of luggage, they do have these porter services that can take you to your hotel.
Welcome to Ilha Grande.
Now our hotel was only like 5 minutes walk, but we didn't realize those 5 minutes would be brutal and how important those porter services would be.
Oh my, but we have to go all the way up there.
Already.
It's okay. Hopefully it'll be worth it.
Finally here at our hotel, those 5 minutes easily were 15 minutes to get here, and the stairs are still not over yet.
Almost there. I can't even speak right now.
Hi. Oh. Hello.
Check out tomorrow is 10:30. Okay. We got some items you might need as umbrellas. Hope you don't need hair dryers, iron for clothes.
The owner was very nice. He gave us all the information that we needed and then led us to our rooms, which were upstairs.
Safe in here, girls. Welcome. If you need anything at all, talk to us.
Thank you.
It's a good sized room. There's a king size bed, there's a mini fridge, and also AC and a fan.
This is so cute. I love the whole vibe of the entire place. This is the bathroom.
delicious. Oh wow.
On the top floor.
I guess you get the views. Hello. After freshening up, we decided to go check out the hotel, just how the area is. There were so many areas to sit around and just be in the nature. It just felt so peaceful. We also have like separate villas like this. This will be the breakfast area. Super cute. Okay, it's time to finally explore the island now. So there are a whole bunch of things that you can do here at the island. Lots of hikes and beaches, but some of them do require like a full day or you have to take a boat tour. But because we got there around afternoon, we didn't have a lot of options. So we just decided to explore the town itself, see what shops they have. Hike on here, you can go and there's like the things you can see, and then this side you have the beach, which is where we're going. It's a beautiful island.
Yeah, it smells really nice also with all the plants and everything.
But it's super humid.
Yeah.
Like if there's no breeze, it feels so hot.
I don't know if you guys can tell, I had straightened my hair.
There's no hair straightening in all our Brazil videos. Don't mind our hair because it's so humid. When we go out of the house,
It looks like
straight.
something else.
And then once you're outside, it's like all curly, all wavy.
Yeah.
But
the island has so many scenic views. We've stopped at least 10 times at this point.
and I'm sure we're gonna stop more, but our plan is to get to the beach before the sunset. So hopefully we'll make it there. We are finally here at the Praia beach, or the Black Beach, which gets its name from its sand, which is very high in minerals. This beach was around 10 to 15 minutes walk from our hotel. It's very calm compared to the other beaches that we saw on our walk. The cloudy sky was definitely making it a bit gloomy, but honestly it still felt very good because of the humid and hot weather. It was very nice to go into the water. After relaxing at the beach, we decided to go check out the shops, see what kind of souvenirs are there on the island. Definitely more expensive than Rio, but because this is a smaller island, that is to be expected. But it's still worth checking out. You just might find something that you won't find in Rio.
Trying this vegetarian tapioca. They have vegan and vegetarian options. Apparently it's a very famous Brazilian dish that used to be consumed by indigenous people. Let's see how it is.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
So good. Completely gluten-free, vegetarian, and the taste of the cheese is so good.
It's raining. I have an umbrella.
Good thing we got this from our hotel.
Because it is raining and windy.
Yeah, it is lively though. You can walk around at night.
As we were walking around, we saw this restaurant that was serving acai, so we wanted to go check it out.
Into golden sunlight.
We got the 200 ml for 12.
It says granola, banana.
Honey.
What is this thing called?
Honey.
It's good. When in Brazil, you have to try acai.
How's it? It's really good. I love this drink. Definitely try it. It's like limca. Limca if you're from India. But it's so good, especially if you have stomach issues when you're here.
Yeah, especially in the hot weather. It's like lemon. Okay, now we're back in our hotel, and because we were all so tired, it was time to put our swing on and then just relax, enjoy the weather. It did get really windy and it was raining, so it was just the perfect way to enjoy the weather. Good morning from Ilha Grande. It was so beautiful. I just love this balcony so much because you can just sit here, relax, enjoy the view. The weather was so different from last night. You can hear the birds chirping. It was just absolutely beautiful. We went down to have our breakfast, which was included in our price for the hotel. The selection wasn't huge, but it was very tasty, so we did have a good time here. After breakfast, we checked out and it was time for us to make our way to our next destination. We are taking another boat, but not to the same port. It's going to be a different port, and this boat is also different from the one we took. So you can see this is much bigger. There were way more people in here, and it was also shaded, so you were protected from the sun. But our next stop is going to be Paraty, which we are very excited to explore. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in Paraty. Bye!